Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-G turbocharged engine is a significant new powertrain for Mazda, marking their return to a longitudinal inline-six configuration. This engine, paired with a 48V mild hybrid system, is designed for Mazda's new large product platform, primarily seen in the CX-90 and CX-70 SUVs. Review and opinions. The 3.3 Skyactiv-G engine has been generally well received, primarily for its smoothness, refinement, and robust torque delivery. Critics often praise its inline-six configuration, which inherently provides a more balanced and luxurious feel than four-cylinder or V6 engines. The integration of the mild hybrid system is also noted for contributing to this smoothness, particularly during stop-start operations and low-speed assistance. Opinions frequently highlight its ability to deliver strong, effortless acceleration for a large SUV without feeling strained. While it's turbocharged, Mazda's tuning emphasizes linear power delivery and refinement, rather than outright brutal acceleration, aligning with the premium aspirations of the vehicles it powers. Some reviewers have even noted its sweetly melodic sound. Advantages: inherent smoothness. As an inline-six, it benefits from perfect primary and secondary balance, resulting in exceptionally smooth operation and reduced vibrations compared to most four-cylinder or V-configuration engines. This enhances the premium feel of the vehicles. Strong torque and power. It offers substantial horsepower and torque figures, up to 340 horsepower and 369 lb-ft with premium fuel, providing ample power for highway cruising, towing, and confident acceleration, even in large SUVs. Mild hybrid system. M-Hybrid Boost. The integrated 48V mild hybrid system assists the engine at lower speeds, enhances stop-start functionality, and allows for regenerative braking, all contributing to improved fuel economy and even smoother power delivery. Fuel efficiency for its class. Despite its displacement and power, Mazda claims impressive fuel economy for a large, powerful engine, partly due to the mild hybrid assistance and Mazda's lean burn technology enabled by the inline-six design. Premium feel. The combination of smooth power, quiet operation, and strong performance elevates the driving experience, positioning Mazda's large SUVs more competitively against established luxury brands. Designed for longitudinal platform. This engine was specifically developed for Mazda's new rear-wheel drive-biased longitudinal platform, allowing for optimal vehicle dynamics and weight distribution. Disadvantages: premium fuel for max output. To achieve the highest power figures, 340 horsepower, premium 93 AKI octane fuel is recommended. While it can run on regular 87 AKI octane, power output will be reduced to 319 horsepower. Complexity. As a new, sophisticated engine with turbocharging and mild hybrid technology, it has more components and complexity than simpler naturally aspirated engines, potentially leading to higher repair costs if issues arise. Newness. Being a relatively new engine, introduced in 2023, long-term reliability data is still accumulating. While Mazda has a reputation for reliability, new designs can sometimes reveal unforeseen issues over time. Faults and breakdowns. As a very new engine introduced in the 2023 Mazda CX-90, there is limited widespread data on common faults or breakdowns. Early reports typically focus on initial impressions rather than long-term reliability. However, based on general engine design principles and Mazda's other Skyactiv engines. Carbon buildup. As a direct injection engine, it is susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves over extended mileage. Regular maintenance and proper fuel can help mitigate this. Mild hybrid system longevity. The long-term reliability of the 48V mild hybrid components, battery, motor/generator, is yet to be fully established, though such systems are becoming increasingly common across the industry. It's important to monitor owner forums and official recalls/TSBs, technical service bulletins, as the engine accumulates more mileage in the hands of consumers. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption figures are quite impressive for a large SUV with a powerful engine. For the Mazda CX-90 3.3 turbo, EPA estimates are 3.3 turbo, 280 horsepower, EPA estimated 24 mpg city, 28 mpg highway, 25 mpg combined. 3.3 turbo S, 340 horsepower, EPA estimated 23 mpg city, 28 mpg highway, 25 mpg combined. Mazda claims that the larger displacement of the 3.3L engine, combined with its lean burn capabilities and mild hybrid assistance, contributes to its efficiency, allowing it to achieve fuel economy comparable to smaller, less powerful engines. Timing. The Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-G engine uses a timing chain. Timing chains are designed to be lifetime components, meaning they are expected to last the entire lifespan of the engine under normal operating conditions and with proper maintenance. This eliminates the need for costly timing belt replacements typically required at specific mileage intervals. Oil. For the Mazda 3.3 Skyactiv-G engine, Mazda typically recommends SAE 5W 30 synthetic oil. The specific oil capacity for the 3.3L Skyactiv-G is approximately 6.0 liters, 6.3 U.S. quarts, with an oil filter replacement. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date oil specifications, including viscosity, API/ILSAC ratings, and capacity, as these can vary slightly by region or specific vehicle variant. Using the correct oil and adhering to recommended oil change intervals is crucial for the longevity and performance of this sophisticated engine, especially given its turbocharger and mild hybrid system. Versions and history. The Skyactiv-G 3.3 H3T is a turbocharged inline-six gasoline engine that was introduced in 2023. It's Mazda's latest and most powerful mass-production gasoline engine to date. Key points in its history and versions. Debut. It first appeared in the 2023 Mazda CX-90 and subsequently in the CX-70. Engine architecture. It's part of Mazda's new large product platform, designed for longitudinal engine layouts and rear-wheel drive biased vehicles, allowing for the inherently smooth inline-six configuration. Mild hybrid integration. All versions of the 3.3 Skyactiv-G are paired with a 48 VM hybrid boost system, making them mild hybrids. This system integrates an electric motor/generator between the engine and transmission. Power output variants. It's available in two primary power outputs, differentiated by engine tuning and fuel octane recommendation. Standard output. Approximately 280 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque on regular 87 AKI octane fuel. High outputs. Models approximately 340 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque when using recommended 93 AKI octane premium fuel. Technological features. Turbocharging with intercooler provides boosted power. Direct injection for precise fuel delivery and efficiency. DOHC SVT variable valve timing optimizes valve timing for performance and efficiency across the RPM range. High compression ratio. For a Turbo 6, Mazda manages to maintain a relatively high compression ratio, around 12:1, for a turbocharged engine, contributing to efficiency. Cooled EGR helps manage combustion temperatures. The 3.3 Skyactiv-G engine represents Mazda's strategic move into the premium SUV segment, offering a sophisticated, powerful, and efficient powertrain that aligns with the brand's focus on driving enjoyment and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.